In cattle, the rumen and the microbes within play a critical role in digestion by breaking down and fermenting plant matter that would be inedible without it. The balance of this microbial community is key to maintaining good rumen function and feed efficiency. When we are feeding our animals, what we are primarily doing is feeding the rumen microbiome, who in turn feed the animal. The trillions of microbes that live here help ruminants convert human inedible feeds into highly available nutrients in the form of meat and milk that humans can eat. Different species of microbes serve a variety of roles, but to work properly, they need a low oxygen environment with a pH of 6.0 to 7.0 and a balanced supply of key nutrients. When food enters the rumen, different microbes work together to digest feed materials and provide essential nutrients and volatile fatty acids, which supply energy needed for maintenance, milk production, immunity and fertility. For example, fibre-digesting microbes digest and ferment fibrous plant material into important energy sources, while starch-digesting microbes transform starch from grains and other feedstuffs into propionate, a valuable volatile fatty acid, or VFA, which is a precursor to glucose, in addition to producing other VFAs and lactic acid as part of the normal fermentation process. Other microbes can create an abundance of lactic acid, particularly when fed highly digestible diets rich in fermentable carbohydrate. If allowed to build up, this can negatively impact rumen pH, causing a domino effect within the rumen that inhibits cow performance. However, some microbes like Megasphaera elsdenii metabolize this lactic acid, converting it to propionate. Propionate drives glucose production, therefore improving animal performance, whether that be live weight gain or milk yield. So long as the environment remains stable and favourable, these processes will continue largely unhindered. VFAs such as propionate, acetate and butyric acid are absorbed into the body through the lining of the rumen. The strength and stability of these structures, also known as gut integrity, play an essential role in nutrient absorption, feed efficiency and immunity. At the end of their natural life, rumen microbes will pass into the digestive tract and provide microbial protein, the most valuable protein source of all for the cow. Stress, disease, and dietary imbalances and changes can all disrupt this microbial equilibrium. This can lead to dysbiosis, causing rumen pH to lower. Beneficial microbes for digestion are intolerant to these conditions, so reduce in numbers, while pathogenic microbes are able to proliferate. If left to continue, this can damage gut integrity and lead to a range of diseases. This in turn can result in a strong immune and inflammatory response, which can initiate a host of other metabolic disorders due to prolonged inflammation. If VFAs and lactic acid accumulate, pH lowers, which can lead to subacute rumen acidosis, also known as SARA, which will impact rumen function and, in turn, reduce performance. If this buildup of lactic acid is not addressed, SARA can develop into clinical acidosis with a more severe impact on the animal and its microbiome. Including Actisaf Sc 47 live yeast probiotic in rations can help address this. Actisaf works by optimizing conditions in the rumen, giving a key advantage to beneficial microbes, which can help to restore the rumen microbiome and improve feed digestion efficiency. This dual mode of action allows Actisaf to both reduce the risk of SARA and acidosis as well as increase fibre digestibility. By improving feed efficiency, cows, cattle and sheep can perform better on the same amount of feed, with no adverse effects on health parameters or fertility.